Hi, I'm a licensed pharmacist in 3 states, and today we're going to be taking a trip down the Dollar Tree medication aisle. This is the most bougie Dollar Tree, and I'm so excited to come here because there's a couple products I wanted to get, and I haven't seen them in a while, so I came to this one. Hopefully, they're here. I got my church jeans on, I didn't want to be underdressed. Okay, here we are again. Okay, the first thing I saw here was the cold and flu medication. So this has acetaminophen, which is a pain reliever and fever reducer, dextromethorphan, cough suppressant, and doxylamine, which is the antihistamine. So that'll help like dry up like any sort of secretions in your nose or whatever. It's only 10 soft gels, but again, it's only $1.25. And then here's the milligram amount of each of them. 325 milligram of acetaminophen, that's pretty standard. Dextromethorphan 15, also pretty standard. Doxylamine 6.25, a little bit lacking, but that's okay. So I actually don't recommend these types of products. It doesn't matter that this is Dollar Tree. It matters that there's 3 different medications in one pill. I don't generally recommend that. The reason being is because it's very, very unlikely that you're going to have symptoms that perfectly match all 3 indications for all these medications. And additionally, as you progress through your therapy, probably some symptoms are going to get better while others don't get better as quickly. So you essentially end up taking medication that you don't need, putting more chemicals in your body, exposing yourself to more risk for adverse events. So if you have a fever, take 1 fever medication. If you have a runny nose, take 1 runny nose medication. You know, I don't like the combination stuff. If you must, they also have a nighttime and a daytime formulation. The daytime formulation, the only difference, there's 2 differences really. One is that it has phenylephrine instead of doxylamine, and I'm going to do a whole thing about phenylephrine. Trust me. The FDA said that this is ineffective, and they're probably going to pull it. I thought they already pulled it from market, but apparently some pharmacies are willingly getting rid of it. But it's still legal to sell right now. But I don't think this is going to last very long. The FDA literally said that phenylephrine doesn't do anything. And the other difference is this has 10 milligram of dextromethorphan for some reason. I don't know why. Next is probably the best thing that you can buy at this store, I think. It's actually so good that I don't even recommend it because it's literally habit forming. Like, people get addicted to this. I'm not even kidding. You can Google oxymetazoline dependence or addiction or something. It's a thing. So because of the issues for dependency, you cannot use this for more than 3 days. There's a 3-day maximum on this. But buddy, let me tell you what, during those 3 days, whoo, she's gonna work. So that's a nasal spray for like a stuffy nose, basically. I don't know if I ever said that. Distributed in California, made in China. What else is new? But yeah, I mean, for $1.25, this is the best. But I just don't recommend this chemical. It's just too habit forming. I know this isn't a medication, but if anyone here has injections, either for diabetes medications or whatever, buy this. 100 pads for only $1.25. Has an NDC code on it and everything. We got Taiwan in the mix here. It looks like it was some parts used from Taiwan and China, but it's an American company here in Illinois. So I would highly recommend these pads if anyone needs to use alcohol pads for any of their injections. That whole video wasn't even filmed at the same Dollar Tree that I showed in the beginning, BT dubs. The bougie one didn't have some of the stuff I was looking for, so I just went to another random one. And it looks like Dollar Trees just don't really keep the same stock in every single store. Like, it varies quite a bit from what I've noticed. Anyway, per usual, I'm having a blast doing this. Stick around, guys. You're making this a lot of fun. I enjoy your comments and your reposts and everything.